and subscriber. Good morning, guys. So officially I use one microphone to help with the audio quality. Welcome back to my channel, guys. You know the routine. If you're new to the channel, first time you come across the channel, please turn on the notification bell. Please subscribe to the channel to help the channel grow, and also liking the video help the content to grow. So in today's video I will do some sweet and sour conch. But before me even start, I say shout out to all my dear one viewers and subscribers. Thank you for being a part of the channel and the YouTube journey. And we are welcoming even our new subscriber to our channel. So I did pick up the conch when they want to do the sweet and sour conch, but I never get to clean it. So I go walk you guys through the step of how me prepare the conch before even get it cooked and doing the sweet and sour for the vlog. So before we even start the process, I start my gloves. Reason being because the conch slimy. So I'm going to use the gloves this morning. So I have my container with some clean water. I'm going to add some salt in it. This salt is going to help to cut the slime off and clean off the conch. I'm going to drop it in it. So I'm going to take out the unnecessary part when I eat. And then I will cut the side which is the belly, take out the intestine, and I'm going to scrape off it, the head part, and just drop it in the container with the water. So I'm just go through with all of them and just do them the same. Process is to beat the conch just to get it tender, so I have in one clean bag and I have to stick in on my hand. So I'm going to go just gentle. Gentle, beat it, so the bag. So for those of you who never seen the cleaning of a conch, now you see how it's prepared, which is the cleaning. Drop you out. So already did beat the most of them already, but only one did left, so still say me I show you how me do it. So guys, I'm gonna make some festival. I'm I use about 1 spoon of baking powder and about 1 serving spoon of cornmeal and some vanilla milk powder, about 1 serving spoon. So I combine everything together and see if you want any additional ingredients in it, and 1 tablespoon of salt. I use 1 glass of milk to mix the dough for the festival instead of using water. So after making the festival dough, I go put it down for at least 30 minutes before me fry them. So I catch up the fire, guys. Start the process. So I go fab the pot and make it go and dry before me put it on the fire. So I go scald off the conch first thing this morning. So I just put on the pot. I add some garlic. I go add some salt. So the pot a boil up, so the next step I have to add the conch in. The boiling water, so I add piece of scallion, garlic, salt in it. I should use one bigger pot, but I saw you go for today. So I go cover it, leave them to go and scald and still check back on it. So I give them about 30 minutes and then check back. But in the meantime, at the 30 minutes, I still go check back on the same way. But I give 30 minutes to see if it need additional boiling. So guys, I will check on the conch. So go on, everything look good so far. Yes sir. And then I am going to make the butter for the conch. So I use half pound of flour, 1 spoon of salt. So I use 1 spoon each. I use 1 spoon of paprika, 1 spoon of fish season, 1 spoon of all-purpose season, and I go use the red stripe beer. And I go also use 1 egg. That is the egg. So I'm gonna break it in a small container. Then I'm gonna mix it out and add it in the flour with the rest of this seasoning. So I'm gonna add the season. And I'm using a little bit of paprika. Next up, I'm gonna add the egg. And some beer. So basically making the butter for the conch. And this is how it is looking. So it almost finished. So you know, maybe I add a little more red stripe, you know. And that is it. So guys, here I have the conch. So me cut them in some small pieces. So me use my onion, my scallion, and me use some scotch bonnet pepper, some green one, just to add some spice to it. So me I go just add a little bit of season. Me I go add a little garlic powder, cause the butter already have seasoning in it. So me not go add too much season because me don't want it to be too salt. So a little bit of all-purpose season. So me I go try see me get one little piece of it just to taste it and see how it tastes like. Yeah man, conch tastes good guys. Not too salt, not too fresh, and actually I taste the scotch bonnet pepper, a little bit of spice in a hit, so I give it 100. So that a hit. As I say, I season it to my taste and I add the spice to the amount of spice I want in the conch. Guys, so actually fry one at the festival before, so I try. Have them when I go and fry the conch, so I'm going to piece in the oil and take out, you know. So what I basically I do, I add them in the butter, then I add them in some other additional dry flour, where I go just lightly dust them in the flour and then add them in the oil so I can get them feel more fluffy. So just lightly dust them through with the flour and then add them in the oil. Get them how me want them, and this is Caribbean vibes way of doing the sweet and sour conch. So just lightly dust them through the flour, add them in the pot. Guys, may I check on the conch once more. This is the last set in the pot, and them actually I catch good color. So as me say, we are giving a good content where a lot of Jamaican they are foreign and they are homesick. I know they miss yard, so that's why we are giving you the good content them. So we are take out the last set of conch for in the pot. Am I nobody talk about your mouth run water for me conch them now in the comment section, you know. So I know you always gonna see your mouth run water, but sorry. You know, I'm gonna get none of them because me a huge seafood fans and I not share seafood. Conch once more, this is the last set in the pot, and them actually I catch good color. So as me say, we are giving a good content where a lot of Jamaican they are foreign and they are homesick. I know they miss yard, so that's why we are giving you the good content them. So we are take out the last set of conch for in the pot. So these are the conch. So I finish fry them now. So next thing me I go do a fry the festival. So after me fry the festival, then me I go make the sweet and sour sauce, and then I hit that. So guys, you know what I mean, good content. We're always trying to give you guys good content. So guys, this is the sweet and sour sauce. I was recording the video when making the sauce, but after I finished making the sauce I was testing the video, then I realized that the video was there wasn't any audio, so I have to delete it when I was making the sauce along with frying the festival. I'm sorry about that guys, because I want to show most of everything that I'm doing so you guys can have a feeling that like you are in the videos, because the headset that I just purchased, it's like it's giving problem already, so I don't know, I maybe have to send it back to Amazon. So I never really get for sure, you know, the every step of me frying the festival and stuff like that. Guys, this is the sweet and sour conch with the festival. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell, so when I upload a content you will be the first to receive the content.